Photo lovers, this one's for you. Meet Persona, your all-in-one photo editing app that's changing the game. Let me show you why it's a must-have. First, with AI power tools, Persona transforms your selfies, landscapes, and even low-light shots into professional-grade photos in seconds. You can go ahead and click the gallery at the bottom left, and then select the photo, for example, right? This photo, for example, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this window, right? And I can go ahead and add the beauty right here at the bottom, right? And I can add the one that suits me the best. And as you can see right here, the photo is processing, right? Get away, and you're gonna see right here the photo has now changed. Okay, it's like having a personal photo editor in your pocket. Next, you have also the editing app, video editing made easy. Persona doesn't stop at photos. With its intuitive video editor, you can add cinematic effects, transitions, and music to make your video stand out. Perfect for social media. You can click the videos at the bottom right and add your video. All right, let's have an example, this one. All right, I'm gonna cancel, and I'm gonna wait for a few moments, right? And I'm gonna see right here, this is the video. You can go ahead and add beauty, right? And go and hit the check mark. Gonna wait for a few moments, cancel, and basically after you open that video, you're gonna be able to see the results, right? Now they want me to basically see or right here, you're gonna be able to see the final results, right? You go ahead and add the persona and then close this. You can resize body and skin if you want to change the skin. Okay, next, filter and customization. Choose from hundreds of stunning filters or create your own. You can find it right here. Right? Persona gives you complete control over brightness, color, and style to match your vibe. Ready to take your photos and videos to the next level? Download Persona now and start creating like a pro. All right? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you want me to cover next. See you.